What's up, Chatty Betty Gang Squad? This is your girl Chat with Kay, and I'm back with another Smack Bang Friday. But if this is your first time tuning into my channel, there's something that we must do, and that is watch the video, like the video, comment on the video, share the video. And if you haven't hit that red subscription button, please hit that red subscription button right now so that you can become part of the Chatty Betty Gang Squad. And then turn on that notification bell because you never know what I'm going to do. Okay, guys, today is Friday. We're going to end the week with a smack bang. And you guys already know that I can't eat that much, so that's why we are calling them Smack Bang Fridays. All right, Smack Bang Friday, it's nothing but me smacking and chatting about whatever and what all I did this week. And you guys know I had a busy week. Thank you for all those who watch my videos all week long. I appreciate it. But before we get into this guys, guess what I got? I have some vegetable fried rice from, I can't even remember the name of the place, but it's here in Anderson. It is a Chinese place, and I don't get any of their meats and any of those things because I just don't. All right. But I do like their vegetable fried rice, and I do like their vegetable egg rolls. That's the only thing that I get. I don't get any other meats or any of those things at all. I don't get those things. I don't really care for all the Chinese food like that. I really don't. I like the vegetable fried rice. And then there's something in here that I don't like. But let me pray over this food and we're going to get into this conversation, whatever it may be. Father God, thank you for this food, for the nourishment of my body. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Short and sweet. All right. Okay, guys, even though I need to pull this up a little bit close to myself. Okay, hopefully you guys can still see what I got. All right. And I don't like mushrooms. Ugh. I don't like mushrooms. I picked them out. Sorry, because I'm going to do that today. I don't like mushrooms. I don't know. People say, oh, they're so good. They're so good. Not to me. Not to me. Not to me. Ooh, this is hot. How was you guys' week? Hope I don't knock that over. But I like that, and I don't like teriyaki sauce and all that stuff. In here, it is some good eggs. It's some, look, of course, you see broccoli. And they got mushrooms. I said that I don't like those. Carrots, onions. But I really don't see too much egg in here. And I always get extra egg in mine. And I don't see any egg in here at all. I don't. But that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and eat it anyway. How was you guys' week? We made it through the whole week, guys. We made it. We made it. We made it. Yes, we did. I want to say congratulations to all of you guys who have reached milestones on your channels. I know that YouTube has really been kicking us in the rooster. But if you made any milestone on your channel, congratulations. I greatly am happy for you. I truly am. This is a lot of rice. I will not eat all of this, as you already know. Smack bang. Yes, it is. But it is good, though. Even without the egg, it's none in here. Not at all. And I'm making a mess, but it's okay. It looks like this is some cabbage. That's what it tastes like. I think Mr. Man may have mine, and I got his. Because I always ask for cabbage in my food. Sorry about that, guys. I know y'all saw me drop it. I'm making a mess. I guess I need to put on a bib. I really do. I usually like hot sauce on my egg rolls. But I've been recording so many videos today, I didn't even get the sides because I'm tired of it. I really, truly am tired. I hope you guys are having. What you guys have? Y'all got any plans for the weekend? What's your plans for the weekend? What you gonna do? You going out to have some fun? If you are, be safe what you do. Where you going? Here come King. No, sir. No. You don't get in trouble. I'm gonna call you daddy. But they put plenty of these mushrooms in here. I don't know who gonna eat these. Oh, Mr. Man, cause he love mushrooms. Me? He went to go wash that salt off my car before he get his feeling hurt. Sorry about that, guys. I hope he don't shake this table. No, sir. Get away. Back up. You're too close. You're not gonna even eat this. Move. One moment. Comment down below what's your favorite Chinese food. Comment down below. When you go up to the Chinese joint, what do you get? And if you have any, I don't like these soups. And if you have any other suggestions of what to try that are not meat related from the Chinese joint, leave it in the comment section so I can try it. Because this is the only thing I ever get is egg rolls and vegetable fried rice with egg, and this doesn't have any. So I'm not gonna stop this video because I'm just not. King went over there and sat down. He did. Let me say something. By the time I'm recording this video, I have recorded all my videos for the week. So I don't know what comments you guys have left me yet because I haven't posted any of my videos at the time that I'm making this video. But I will say this to all of us. I know there are some people that I know that are frustrated with how their things are moving on their channels, why YouTube take and take and take. And they have just decided, I don't know if they want to take a break or give up. But I hope that they don't. Because I really did like their channels. And I was go over there and support them. And I still am. If I see they uploading. And still show them some love and support. Because YouTube can be stressful. It can. When it's supposed to be fun. But it can be stressful. And people just want to not do YouTube anymore. But if you're one of the ones that are finding it stressful, like myself, and if you want it to be something that you win in, keep pushing. Because the only way we're going to know only way you can not win, if you give up. Because I have to say this about myself. My channel is not growing the way that I want it to be. I haven't blew up like some people around me have. Even though I use their channels for motivation for myself. Because I'm not the jealous type. I'm not. But I can say this. They didn't give up. They kept pushing. They did what they did. And now they are successful. I haven't even been on YouTube a year. Some people say it takes like a good year. Some people say it takes a good 2 years for you to see some things to change. And some people, it happens automatically, you know. But I'm going to eventually get there. Because I'm going to keep uploading. People say, you have a lot of videos on your channel. Yeah. And you're going to see a lot more. You truly am. Why? Because I'm going to keep uploading. I truly am. And I'm trying to make my videos shorter. Even though I can't see where my time at right now. But I ain't going to be here too much longer. I can tell you that. It doesn't have the name of this place on here. Because I want to say who this is. Chinese. I don't even know why I did that. Don't have anything to do with nothing. It truly don't. But I'm not going to keep you guys. I truly am not. I'm not going to keep you. I truly am not. Because this is a smack bang. This is fixing to go to Mr. Man. And I'm going to give my dog a treat. I truly am. I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. I really do. I'm going to finish. I'm going to stay here maybe a little bit longer to make sure that it's long enough for me to upload. And I hope you enjoy my smack bang on Chinese food. Look at this broccoli. I love broccoli. What are my manners? Want some? There's plenty. Now this fried rice is really good. It really truly is. And it's soft. It is something my stomach can digest real easily. I'm getting where I'm pulling away from a lot of meat. I don't eat any beef. Well, I'll take it back. I don't eat steak. But I'm starting to eat even beef in moderation. As you can see, there's no meat here. Because I don't feel like my stomach cramping. like it does. And also, the meat that is soft for me to eat and digest is expensive. You already know what it is. Oh, I will say this. Thank you for all those who gave me some good, and left me some good comments on my seafood boil, the one that very first one on my channel. But rest assured you, that will not be the last, because you will see. I probably won't have a plethora of stuff like I did. Because your girlfriend really loves the claws. I love those. They have a lot of meat in them. But it's one thing I want to try next on my channel is prawns. And they're really big. So I know I will not have a whole lot of other seafood when I have those, because those are big. And so I probably just have me a little bowl with me some prawns in it, so I can try those, because I hear that they're good too, and I have not had those either. So I'm going to try them. But I'm going to get on out of here, y'all. I truly am. Put an end to this video. Truly am. Thank you for tuning in to my Smack Bang on Friday. I hope you guys have a blessed weekend, productive weekend. Spend some time to yourself, the hobbies, whatever. Okay? No, I had somebody ask me about my rings. Why do I have so many rings? Why do I have this? Why do I have that? Okay, first of all, I have rings because I've had them. Some of them have been given to me for gifts. And people that know me, I keep stuff that people give me. First of all. Second of all, because I want to. Okay? Third of all, no, I don't cook with them on. I don't clean with them on. I don't shower with them on. That's just who Chat with K is, okay? Because I'm very sanitized in my home. I keep my house very clean. For one, I've always been a neat freak. My mama raised me that way. I've always been a clean freak. My mama raised me that way too. On top of that, I have a full-blooded German 140+ pound dog. And you have to clean constantly behind him. Constantly. He's house trained. Yes, he is. But he shakes. And when he shakes, hair go everywhere. So we vacuum a lot. We have to. We have to clean up behind him. Okay? We do. But that's a story for another day. I might use that for Rottweiler Talk Thursday or something to let you know what we all have to go through. Well, me and him have to go through. I might even show you his cleaning detail and the messes he makes besides his toys. Because we can't even pick them up. We have to pick them. We have to fight with him so we can vacuum the floor. Because when we pick up his toys, he get mad. I don't know. The dog crazy. He is. But I'm going to get off of here. Thank you for tuning in for me all week, watching all of my videos. I greatly appreciate it. I'm going to get on off of here. And I'm trying my best to make my videos a lot shorter. Your girl is full. Smack Bang from the Chinese joint. Thank you for tuning in. And know that Chat with K love all of you so much. And again, if you reached a milestone, congratulations. I'm happy for you. Okay? And I'm happy for myself because I'm getting little 5 subscribers here, 5 subscribers there. I like it. Thank you for tuning in with your girl. Thank you for subscribing. I greatly appreciate it. Okay? All right. And then again, love God, love yourself, and love others. Stay ready. So get ready. This is Chat with K with Smack Bang Friday. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.